How can I eat more fruit and veg without actually, you know, eating fruit and veg? I managed to do it from time to time using this. This is my favorite smoothie recipe. It is absolutely gorgeous. And look, I've even managed to get some veg in there too. Best of all, it's banana free. I like bananas, but bananas don't like me. I think I react badly to them. So every smoothie recipe I know, every smoothie I'm ever offered has banana in it. This one doesn't, and I'm gonna show you how I make my smoothies. We're gonna fill up on fruit and veg. So the first thing, oh, by the way, this is the Dad Delivers vlog where I try new things to make your family happy. And today we're gonna make our family's happy with this delicious smoothie. I'm gonna get through this quickly. So first thing I use is a melon. Look, I've got a second camera here, and I'm gonna put in, oh, should I put in half a melon? And that's a bit much, isn't it? I'll do a quarter of a melon. You can get a spoon and get rid of the seeds. Although I'm putting this in the blender, so you could probably get the seeds in too. And then just to cut it into chunks, I'm gonna slice the slice like this. Oh no, I've thrown the maggoty carrot away. And then you can slice the chunks off like this. I'm trying to eat more fruit and veg. Well, I'm trying to eat fruit and veg. So this way, at least I'm guaranteed a bunch of stuff. Just gonna slice these melon chunks in. In goes the melon. What next? Let's do some carrots. Right, so I've got these really disgusting bottom of the fridge carrots. I'll speed this bit up, but this is me just peeling and topping and tailing the carrots. I have tried other veg in this recipe, like a chunk of beetroot, but that's it. That's the only other veg that I've tried with this recipe, so you might want to try some beetroot. Now I can cut off the tops of the carrots. I'll just cut them into chunks and put the chunks into the blender pot. Next up is some ginger. I'm going to cut the ginger because I hope that the blades will slice the ginger apart. I either do this or grate it with the microplane. My next ingredient is milled chia seeds. I've tried other seeds as well, like sunflower seeds or some kind of linseed sunflower seed mix. I'm going with the chia seeds today though. Now, this smoothie recipe is really easy, but I always manage to forget one of these key ingredients. Oh, I know, frozen berries. That's what I forgot. So go to the freezer. I think this is my favorite part of the smoothie. Frozen raspberries. The great thing with these obviously is that they're frozen, so the cold iciness of the berries will help chill the drink, but I love it just for the sweet flavor. The other thing I might try today, don't usually do this, but I've got some frozen blueberries in. So let's get some blueberries in there. I'll just put in a handful just to give it another flavor. A bit of a fruits of the forest tang for my fruity veggie smoothie recipe. Now I have quite impressively overfilled the NutriBullet cup. I think the max line is where the top of this rubber grip is, and I've gone well over. And let's go for the final ingredients. Just apple juice. I'll just top this up and it will just fill all the gaps in my fruits and veg, and I'll do that up to the max line. Oh, that's not too overfilled. I've done worse. And then I'll put the lid on. By the way, if you want a NutriBullet like this, there's a link down in the description. You can see the one that we've got. I'll take you into the blending room. By the way, look, we've got this little hot chocolate station going on here, which is kind of cool. I'll just load up the NutriBullet. It's good to go, so I'll just push it down. I always think that the NutriBullet is going to fly off and destroy the house. Look at it go. It's so violent. I'll have to close the door. Fantastic. It doesn't take long. And now the best bit. Got a pint glass. We'll get some ice cubes going in here. And then Look at that. Breakfast of champions. Look. Oh. Time for the taste test. Oh my God, that's so good. What I love about it is that the blades of the NutriBullet have ground down all those seeds. I think there's some chunks of raspberry seed in there which have managed to stay in there. Oh God, that's gorgeous. There's enough there for probably 3 people, but I usually end up downing it myself. Oh, I'm calling this Dad Delivers success. Yes. Do you have a smoothie recipe? I'd love to hear it. Maybe even try it out. Leave it in the comment below. It'd be great to hear what you're drinking.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is gonna be the proper one, right?